Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into a powerful design pattern in React called prop combination. And don't worry, I'll explain it in simple steps so that by the end of this video you know exactly how to use it to make your code cleaner and more manageable. And trust me, this trick will make your life a lot easier. So, what is exactly prop combination? Now imagine you have a component that needs to receive a ton of properties. It can get overwhelming. Instead of passing each prop separately, prop combination lets us combine them into one single prop. This keeps our code neat and easy to update. Now, let's dive into the code and see how this works. Now, imagine that we are building a custom product card for an e-commerce site. We want to show the product title, price, color, size, even sale tag if there is a sale. Instead of passing each of these separately, we will pack them into one product info object. Now, this is our product card component, and notice we are using TypeScript to define the types, which make it even clearer and helps catch errors earlier. Here is what's going on our product card. It is taking a single product info prop, which is an object with all our product details. And because we have typed it with TypeScript, we know exactly what to expect. We know that to expect in the title, the price, the color, the size, and on sale also flag, which is optional. Super clear and super safe. Now let's see how simple it is to use this component. So we'll create a product info in our main page. So I'll go right here. I will create the product info object and then pass it down to my card component. So let's define our object. I'll call it cons product info. You can call this anything you like. And now say for example the title will be cool stuff. And let's say for example the price will be 30. And let's say for example the color will be aqua, and that should be a string aqua. And let's say for example the size will be m. And if you remember, we have that optional property which we'll pass on for today, and say for example on sale is true. Now we'll go inside, and of course first we need to pass on our child component, which is the product card, and we have to import it as well. And you can see it is complaining because we have type safety with TypeScript, and it says that your product info is missing in type object, but it's required in type product card props. Okay, and that's because we didn't pass any props yet. Now, before this design pattern, you will be, for example, doing something like this. Title equal to, for example, that's product info dot title, then price equal to product info dot price. And imagine if you have, I don't know, you have hundreds, or you have I don't know, many. And also this component is reusable, means some properties in a place can be used, in other places can't be. Also maybe these properties are coming directly from an API call, so you can't just go and hard code them every time. And that's why we define this single product info object for today to use as an example, which have all the details for our product. So what we will do here, we'll just remove this, and we will say product info equal to product info. Simple as that. Now when we pass it to our product card, we don't need to pass each prop individually, so just one prop does the job. And because we typed it with TypeScript, if we forget a property or make a mistake, TypeScript will let us know even before we push our code or we try to run it locally. With this approach, our code is cleaner, safer, and much easier to read as well. And if you want to add or change properties in our product info, we don't have to touch a product component at all. So why should we use this prop combination with TypeScript? First thing is cleaner code. It keeps our components free of clutter by bundling related props into one object. Then second, easy to update. We can make changes in one place without needing to adjust every prop individually. And then of course, because of TypeScript, we have type safety. And TypeScript catches errors before even they hit the browser. It's like having a personal code assistant. Now, if you are working on a big project or just want your code to be more maintainable, this pattern is a lifesaver. And that is it for today. Now you know how to combine your props using TypeScript like a pro. And if you found this useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful React tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.